一項別開生面嘅三人制羽毛球錦標賽現正喺列治文舉行。
今日喺列治文呢個羽毛球館進行嘅三人制錦標賽入面，每隊其中一名球員都身穿同隊友顏色有別嘅球衣，佢哋係擔當類似排球賽事入面可以隨意替換而唔負責發球嘅自由人角色。主辦單位話，三人制羽毛球模式別開生面。
This is the first of its kind in North America. So, Badminton BC adopt this innovative idea. We believe that it's beneficial to all age groups that's in our community.
錦標賽分為男女子多個年齡組別，以單局31分決勝，而活動就吸引本地政界人士到場。
I think this is such a great opportunity to try something new, try something innovative. I think it's time in Richmond that we have lots more innovation, and moving from a doubles, singles to a 3-on-3 format is such a cool way to start.
錦標賽將會喺星期日繼續舉行，而當中嘅優勝者有機會前往中國北京參加羽毛球訓練營，接受當地國家隊教練培訓。